Hey Danish, good morning. I just want to check with you regarding the homes for sale in Milton.ca domain name as we checked the A record that is applied for homes for sale in Milton.ca should be connected as shows in this screenshot, which you did on our first initial call, but somehow this domain name it's not pointing the right as it should be. When we click on it, it just says the site can be reached. So when we check the the records with this, it will just show the X, so it means that it's not pointed. But on the other hand, the record www.homesforsaleMilton.ca is pointing correctly to the valid IP address. So maybe you can check that this record, maybe there's a space here or somewhere, or maybe it's not saved or something. So please check that and let me know if there's anything that is not going well, so we can help you with that. And I will also send you an email with the IP address for the branded website to be pointed, or you can use the name servers that I sent you, and if it's easier for you to make the DNS changes. That should be it. Thank you and looking forward to your feedback. Bye.